Want to unlock even more powerful features in Figma? Plugins can help you generate content, create icons, remove backgrounds, check accessibility, automate tasks, and speed up your design workflow. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Figma plugins in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into your Figma account and open any design file or your dashboard. You can install plugins whether you're starting a new project or working on an existing one. Next, open the plugin library. You can access it from the Resources panel, the main menu, or by searching for plugins, depending on your version of Figma. This library contains thousands of plugins created by both Figma and the community. Use the search bar to find the plugin you need. You can search by name or browse categories like productivity, accessibility, icons, illustrations, content generation, or design tools. Reading the plugin description and reviews can help you choose the right one. Once you've found the plugin you want, click the Install button. After a few moments, the plugin will be added to your Figma account and become available in your projects. Take a moment to wait for the installation to finish. Open your design file, then launch the plugin from the Plugins menu or the Resources panel. Follow any setup instructions the plugin provides. Some plugins may ask for additional permissions before they begin working. You can return to the plugin library anytime to update, remove, or discover new plugins that improve your workflow. So you've successfully installed a Figma plugin, and that's how to install Figma plugins. Whether you want to automate repetitive tasks, improve your workflow, or add new creative tools, plugins can help you get more done in less time. Trying a few popular plugins is one of the easiest ways to boost your productivity in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.